Hi you guys, welcome to Trinika Creates. In this video, I'll show you the work that was done to repair and replace the sewer line in my yard that caused my kitchen to flood. Before we get into the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So I have a plumber from Roto-Rooter who came. This was about the 5th or 6th plumber who had come to my house at this point. And he's the only one who went into the yard to check the pipes in the yard. And he's using this poker to look for the sewer line, but he hits the water line, and so now there's a leak. So he's going to work on patching that leak, and then he's going to send out an estimator. And the city line?
The city line is clear.
It is clear.
Yeah. See that? I got a video of everything from downstairs.
Oh, I see at the bottom of the pipe.
Yeah. So
they sent out the guy with the camera who shows me where the blockage is. So this will be dug out again by hand and replaced.
It looks like they've done their job for the most part here. The only thing I would say is this. Like where you connect, see that little section right there?
Mm-hmm.
You got a bunch of debris in there, which means there is a break between here and the line because
So this is a couple of days later after the rain has stopped, and the plumber is here to dig out this trench that's coming from the foundation of my house down out to the front yard where the sewer line connects. So he's digging up both the water line and the sewer line, and he's going to find where the collapse is, or where the blockage is, I should say. So as he starts to dig, he notices that the ground is just really wet, like wetter than it should be after rain. And come to find out, the original guy who came out, his fix was not well done, and so he's gonna have to fix this as well. So as you can see, this little narrow pipe here, this is just the water line. He's pretty much dug the whole trench and exposed the water line, but if you see the kind of rust color dirt, that's underneath where the iron pipe connects underneath. So he's gonna have to dig under the water line to get to that sewer line. So this is the old pipe, the long piece, solid piece, that is the iron pipe, and then the broken pieces are the clay pipes that connected to it. And that's where the blockage was. There was a big chunk. You see those roots and dirt that's in there? That was a blockage in my pipes. So now he's installing the PVC pipe to replace that iron and clay sewer line. He's also installing this piece that's a two-way clean out. This will be accessible in the yard for easy access in case there's a blockage in the future and the drain needs to be snaked. It can go towards my house under my foundation or out towards the city line. So that will be installed as well. Now he's going to attach this PVC pipe to the two-way clean out. He's priming the PVC now and then applying a cement, and what that would do is create a water seal. He'll hold it in place for 30 seconds and it will be completely sealed and waterproof. Now that he has completed installing the new sewer line and the two-way cleanout, he's going back and fixing that leak in the water line, and he's using a new PVC piece to put in as a patch, and a hose that inserts into the water line so that the water connects in a sanitary way, and that is sealed completely. Now I'm running water to make sure that the sewer line is draining correctly, as well as flushing out that water line and checking to make sure there's no leaks before he backfills this trench. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.